Hey there.
Welcome to Anniversary Week. We are at Point Beach State Park in Two Rivers today, which is along Lake Michigan. So Jason and Neil planned a shoreline adventure for us today, which starts at Manitowoc and goes all the way down to Sheboygan along the shoreline.
So, while we get dried off and on to our next destination, here is this week's bread video that I did during the World Cup final last week. All right, so today we've got Cacio E Pepe rolls. They are Greek rolls made with semolina. We got some pecorino romano cheese and some olive oil, and it's going to be nice and cheesy, yummy rolls. Here we go. All right, so we got some regular white flour, semolina, yeast, warm water. Gonna mix this up till no dry spots remain. This is a very wet mixture. It says mix it until no lumps remain. That's about right. We're going to cover and let this sit for 1 hour. All right, so I picked the wrong day to do this because the World Cup final has just started, and now I got to do this quick. So I transferred the pre-ferment to a mixing bowl because we're going to use the stand mixer. So you can see we got a bunch of foaming going on here. So we're going to add in more flour, some pecorino romano cheese, olive oil, and a salt and pepper mixture. And we're going to mix this for 5 to 8 minutes until it's a nice smooth dough. All right, we're going to cover this and let it sit for 1 to 1.5 hours. All right, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. We're going to scrape this out, and we're going to divide this into 8, which should be about 103 grams. Now we're just going to shape these into rounds. All right, we're going to cover those and let them sit for 30 to 45 minutes. All right, so I've transferred them to this baking peel. I've got a pizza steel with the cast iron skillet underneath in the oven. We're just going to take the scissors and kind of do a cross section. All right, and then we're going to slide them onto the peel, add some water to the cast iron skillet, and bake them for 25 to 30 minutes. All right. Here they are. Going there. And then we're going to dip them in this sauce here. So these just go tossed around in this. This is a mixture of oil, more oil, pecorino, romano, salt, and pepper. And then these just get sit there. We're going to pass the torch to Roberta. She's going to finish these up for me so I can stir some stuff and get dinner ready. All right. Cacio E Pepe rolls. Oh, yeah, they seem... Let's tear one open just to see what we got going on here. Looks like a roll.
Kind of like the photo.
Yeah, kind of like the photo. So we're having this with just a little bit of chicken, kale, pepper, pesto. This is going to be good. That looked like good bread, huh?
Yeah.
That was delicious.
So good.
Yeah. So now we're at Point Creek, actually.
Yeah, yep.
Just a little wayside on our way to the main event down south of Sheboygan. So we just found this little place, and I screeched to a halt and turned around, and here we are.
It's very peaceful out here.
It is very peaceful out here.
You hear the birds and the wind and a little bit of water and...
Yeah, so we're going through a trail in the woods right now, and it should come out to the Lake Michigan. Stay tuned.
We'll see.
It's a small trail. Looks like it's getting smaller and smaller. Come on, focus. There we go. Look at that little guy.
Turning for the camera.
Holy cow.
Okay, it took us to the beach.
Look at the hawks. Yeah, so here we are at the beach.
Not Point Creek.
Not Point Creek. Wow.
I swear to God, if one of those hawks catches a seagull.
That would be awesome.
Right.
So still at Point Creek. Not sure why they call it Point Creek, because there's no creek. But there's water. There's a beach down there, but actually doesn't look like a very friendly beach to swim in. So, but there are a lot of hawks around here, and it's very cool to watch. Of course, I'm filming when there aren't any hawks around.
Here he comes.
Oh yeah, there he is. Look at that guy. All right. He's not doing anything fun though. All right, on to the next destination. We made it to Kohler-Andrae State Park, down south of Sheboygan. It's in Sheboygan, but it's southern side of Sheboygan. Yeah, it's another beach with some trails and stuff. Seems to be a little busier than the last place.
Yes.
So we'll see what happens when we get down there. Here we go. Oh boy. Look at this view, huh? So we just took a little break in the shade.
It's so beautiful here.
It really
So
is.
it's a little bit different than the other beach. There's a lot more dunes. There's a lot more people here.
Yeah. The waves are higher. The water is warmer now
Yeah.
that it's the afternoon. And of course, me not being a very good planner, I didn't realize that we would actually be going into water. So we didn't bring our bathing suits. We just got our tootsies wet.
Yes.
Yeah, such a perfect day to be here though.
I think the best part of being together for so long is that we create new memories all the time. And we find new things to do. And so yeah, it's been an amazing anniversary day.
Yep. Hey there.
Gosh, this hair is out of control now. That's okay.
That is okay.
It's beach hair.
Yep, it sure is. All right, we're at our last stop. We are
Walking the boardwalk.
walking the
Lighthouse walk?
lighthouse, the pier. We're walking
Yes.
the pier. Yep.
Yes, the pier walk.
Going towards the lighthouse.
Uh-huh.
So,
And then we get dinner after
and
this.
then we get dinner.
Here we go.
Hey guys. That was amazing. If you are ever in Sheboygan and looking for a good slice of pizza,
Yeah.
check out Uptown Slice. It's a New York style pizza. Oh man, so good. And their tiramisu is amazing
Yes.
as well.
That was so good. he said it was better than Stefano's, and we're not sure who or where Stefano's is, but it was very delicious.
Yes, very good.
Yeah.
But yeah, outstanding pizza.
Yeah.
And now we go home to feed Maggie.
Yeah. So thanks for coming along today.
Yeah. Check you later.